It's the 23rd of December and Craig is officially on holiday. Woohoo!
Yes, I am.
It's also 7 p.m. The sun is still out. It's been such a nice day and hopefully the weather stays beautiful for the rest of the holiday season. We're actually on our way to Christmas carols at our church now. We're super excited for that. But earlier today we opened that puzzle that we bought yesterday and well, already we can tell it's going to be super challenging. And we tried out some Kiwi favorites chocolates. It's pretty good.
Very good.
But off to Christmas carols we go.
Tonight we're going to sing some carols. We're going to have a great time tonight.
Cool. I love Christmas carols. This was really amazing. They had like these kids on stage as a little choir and they ended with Feliz Navidad and everyone was clapping and dancing. It was really cool.
Very cool. A lot of fun.
And we got candy canes. Yay. Okay, let's go home.
It's Christmas and we are preparing our food on Christmas Eve to be ready for tomorrow, so when we get back from our day at the beach we're going to have some amazing food to eat. So we are doing a leg of lamb, which is quite famous here in New Zealand, and they're pretty good price. We paid $19 for this big piece of lamb. We're going to slow cook it at about 135 degrees. I'm going to spice it up with a bit of garlic powder and rosemary, the salt and pepper. I'm going to slow cook this, hopefully it comes out amazing. The lamb is in the oven and now we're going to make this amazing pasta salad that Chantal's mom always makes and I absolutely love, so that's going to be our side dish for Christmas Day.
We're done in the kitchen and we've come out to Waipu for the Christmas parade.
Very cool, lots of people.
This is a first for us. It looks very festive. We can hear bagpipes also. For about half an hour the parade came past.
Yeah, even longer. Yeah, but half an hour. Yeah. Very cool, but it's finished now. There was a long line of parade vehicles, so very cool.
Let's go. We knew there would be a lot of people, but there were a lot of people. Such a vibe. It's so nice.
Yeah, very cool.
So nice. Okay, we better get out of the road and then we're going home to open our Christmas presents.
It is Christmas Day and we're here at Matori Bay on our brand new subs. Pretty cool. We are quite far out now. Our stuff is down there, and Chantal is paddling, leisurely paddle. Perfect way to spend Christmas Day out on the water. The water is a little bit bumpy, so Chantal is giving it a go, trying the standing thing. Just arriving at your little private beach. Check out this.
Then we headed back home to enjoy our Christmas lunch. We still had to prepare the ham, which luckily didn't take too long. The leg of lamb and the ham came out so delicious, and the pasta salad tasted almost exactly as my mom makes it. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you had a very blessed Christmas.